Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the facts I wish I knew before getting into a Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep that's shown in this video is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S, finished in Sarge Green. So you may be wondering why this Jeep looks higher than the other Jeeps that you see on the road. That's because this is sitting on a 2-inch Fox lift, which is also paired with a set of 33-inch tires, which makes the vehicle slightly higher. So to start off on our list, the first item I'd like to mention is the interior. This 4th generation Jeep really stepped up from its previous generation's interior. It is now equipped with a touchscreen that's capable of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. However, it has to be plugged in and it isn't wireless. So this is what the keys look like for the 3rd generation. And this is what the keys look like for the 4th generation. So with this new key, you now have keyless entry and also push to start ignition, which is a pretty good upgrade compared to the previous Jeeps. With this new digital cluster, there's a cool animation of the original Jeep from 80 years ago that transitions into the current model. Here's a pretty cool page about off-roading that you could refer to. There are also many useful options such as the adaptive cruise control, so it follows the vehicle in front of you, auto start stop to save gas, hill descent, parking sensors, backup camera with oncoming traffic alert, and blind spot assist. Onto our second fact here, I want to point out that every light on this vehicle is LED. There's no more incandescent bulbs, and it makes a huge difference, especially at night. I'm going to take you guys on a night drive just to show you how the fog lights, headlights, and high beams look. First, we're starting with low beams and fog lights. Fog lights off and on. Off again, back on. High beams on. As you can see, it makes driving at night a breeze, and it looks like daytime when you're driving the Jeep at night. Besides the headlights not following the corners automatically as you turn, I think these headlights provide great output. As you can see, all the interior lighting is LED, even the vanity mirror, footwell lighting, and the cabin lighting as well, which I think is great so you don't have to go on Amazon or eBay just to purchase the bulbs and replace them. Another point I would like to mention is in the Jeep ownership itself. I did not pay attention to it at first, but I started to notice a lot of Jeep owners on the road would wave at me while driving by. So I went home and looked it up since I don't have any friends that drive Jeeps, so no one could tell me what it is. But apparently, all the Jeep owners have a thing called the Jeep Wave. It's quite interesting that I joined a community without even knowing that I joined a community. But apparently, everyone that drives a Jeep knows this. You're supposed to wave at other Jeep owners just to say hi or, acknowledge their presence. The online presence and the amount of Jeep clubs that are out there is pretty insane as well. So if you're into group off-roading or overlanding, I'm sure there's a club in your city. If not, there should be one nearby. So I just looked online for a few forums that I could, gather information off of or speak to other owners. So there are tons of them, and they have hundreds of online users that are active and thousands to millions of posts. So any problems or questions that you may have about the Jeep that you have has probably been asked and answered on these forums. And if not, you can make a post and someone would answer you quickly, as there are hundreds of users on the forum that are online and actively participate in these forums. So the last item on the list of things I wish I knew before I had this Jeep is that the amount of mods that are available for the Jeeps are pretty much unlimited. There are so many mods out there that, you could turn it into a 6-wheeler, you could put a camper on it, you could put huge tires on it, snorkel, whatever you can think of, it's out there. And if it's not, you shoot a message on the forums, someone's going to handcraft it themselves and post the results on the forum. So in conclusion, make sure to take your time to spec out your Jeep, as there are so many options out there that you'll wish you had once you purchase the Jeep. So just take your time, do your research, read the forums, and get a good deal on it, and you won't regret this purchase. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.